Hello, dear viewers. Today, we will tell you about the incredible effects of water, one of the most important components of our lives, on our health. Yes, you heard right, just water. So, why is it so important? Let's discover the 10 wonderful benefits of water together. 1. Helps the body get oxygen. Water makes up 90% of our blood, which carries vital oxygen to each of our cells. Therefore, drinking enough water ensures that oxygen reaches every part of our body and supports our vital functions. 2. It provides lubrication of the joints. Water reduces pain and increases our mobility by keeping the cartilage tissue in our joints moist. In this way, we can move more easily. 3. Provides vitality and vigor. The feeling of fatigue is often caused by thirst. Drinking water increases our energy levels and allows us to stay vigorous throughout the day. 4. Regulates body temperature. Water helps us cool down in extreme heat and warm up in cold weather by regulating our body temperature. 5. Supports kidney functions. Our kidneys filter and excrete harmful substances from our body. Adequate water consumption facilitates this process and protects our kidney health. 6. Improves skin health. Water maintains the moisture balance of our skin, making it look brighter and healthier. 7. Makes digestion easier. Water helps our digestive system function properly and prevents problems such as constipation. 8. Helps control weight. Drinking water helps us control our appetite and prevent overeating. 9. Accelerates metabolism. Adequate water consumption allows our metabolism to work more efficiently and helps us lose weight. 10. Improves physical performance. Adequate water consumption, especially during exercise, increases our performance and endurance. Daily water consumption varies depending on many factors. In general, it is recommended that an adult drink approximately 2 liters of water per day. However, this amount may vary depending on factors such as age, gender, activity level, climate, and health status. For example, a healthy adult should drink approximately 35 milliliters of water per kilogram of weight every day. This means that a person weighing 50 kilograms should drink 1.7 liters of water a day. A person weighing 60 kilograms should drink 2.1 liters of water. A person weighing 70 kilograms should drink 2.4 liters, and a person weighing 80 kilograms should drink 2.8 liters of water. If you have a particular health condition or are unsure about your daily water needs, it is best to consult your doctor. Here is the importance of water in our lives and its effects on our health. Remember, your water consumption may vary according to your personal needs. Therefore, listen to your body's signals and consult a health professional when necessary. We wish you healthy days.